Hey, is your router not working in make.com? Like your scenario runs, but the paths just don't trigger? Yeah, that can completely mess up your automation. Don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. All right, first, check the filters on each route. This is the most common issue. If the conditions aren't met, the route simply won't run. Next, check the data coming into the router. Yeah, if the data doesn't match your filter conditions, nothing will pass through. Now, click Run Once and test your scenario. This helps you see which routes are being triggered. If nothing triggers, simplify your filters. Yeah, start with a basic condition, then build it back up. Another thing, check your data types. If you're comparing text to numbers, the filter won't work. Also, pay attention to route order. In some cases, earlier routes can affect later ones. Consider adding a default route. This helps catch any data that doesn't match other conditions. If it still doesn't work, delete and recreate the router. Yeah, this can fix hidden issues. Now, run the scenario again and check the results. And that's it. Once your filters and data match correctly, your make.com router will work perfectly. Just follow these steps. Hey, is